First, light your artwork so you have even lighting across the face of the painting. You don't want any shadows or hot spots visible. Once you're set and ready, take measurements of the height and width. Then go to Artzip and start a zip. Enter the title and the dimensions of your artwork. Next, take a photo of the painting. We call this the reference image. Crop out the background by placing the dots on the four corners. Once cropped, you can edit the image by adjusting the contrast, saturation, exposure, and temperature. Double check your image and recrop or edit if needed. Next, we'll show you the approximate number of detailed photos to take based on the size of your painting and the distance your camera should be from the face of the painting. Now leave Artzip and open your camera app to shoot your detail photos. Move closer to the artwork and starting in the upper left corner, photograph each area of the painting. Make sure that each detail shot overlaps its neighbor by about 20%, ensuring that you capture every inch of the painting. Also, it's best to include a bit of the wall or background so you don't miss capturing the edges of the painting. Double check that all of your photos are in focus. We can't give you a great image if you missed an area of the painting or if any of the images are blurry. Now go back to Artzip and upload your detail shots. It's best if you are connected to Wi-Fi when you do this. Once you press Start Zip Now, we'll start zipping your images and your job is done. It should take between 5 to 30 minutes to complete your zip. When it's complete, we'll send you a text or email notification with a link. Click that link and take a look at your zip and its resolution. If the PPI isn't high enough for your purposes, you can always make another zip. When creating the next one, just move closer to the artwork when shooting your detail shots. The closer you are, the higher the resolution will be. Also, preview your zip and download the watermarked version and look closely for any blurriness or inconsistencies in case you missed something when reviewing your detail shots. Again, you can always go back and create a new zip for free. When you're ready, purchase your zip for only $25 and the watermark will be removed. Then download your zip or send it to your printer. Thanks again for using Artzip.